to another episode of Daily Reel. So today, I decided socket thing in my car to charge my phone. Hope you guys can hear me okay. It's windy as hell today. But yeah, today I went to Walmart and got a port to be able to charge my phone. It's got the cigarette lighter and it's got 2 USB ports. So I'm going to go and put that in, guys. So let's get started. But yeah. Alright, but what I picked up was, there's that short shifter, that purple. I picked up a Walmart special USB cigarette lighter thing. Y'all know what these things are. Grounded it out to right there because it was just easiest to do it. And I'm going to somehow mount this up or tape it, or I don't even know what yet. But somehow, some way, this is going to go right here. Because my phone sits right there and my speaker sits on the dash. Yeah, that's not going to sit like that. Well, whatever. We'll make it work somehow. One end of the fuse onto here. Because I didn't feel like spending the money because my ass is too cheap to get it actually in an actual inline fuse to wire it in. So I'm just going to tie that end around that to the fuse, tape it off, and cut a piece of that wire to go to the other end of the fuse. And it's going to run into the fuse box. So I'm going to get started and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so what I was saying was basically just wrap the wire around the end of the fuse, just like that. I don't know why the camera wouldn't stay blurry, but y'all know what I mean. Who cares? It's a upside down. It's a 15 amp fuse. Damn wind to shut my door on me. But it's a 15 amp fuse. And I'm going to take that wire and wrap it around the other end of that. Then I'm going to tuck it nicely, run it up behind the dash and inside the dash and all that good stuff. And tie it into the fuse box. So, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So, what I did was, just like I said, I wrapped the 2 different ends of the wires around the fuse. I'm going to electric tape that off. And I'm going to run this wire up and around over the steering column and in the fuse box. So I'll tape it off and we'll see. Alright guys, I ran it around. It's in the fuse box, tucked under the steering column. It's got constant power to it because it's plugged into the fuse box. So I'm going to have to figure something out so it doesn't constantly drain my battery, because I don't want to have to constantly unplug it every time. Maybe put an inline switch in it or something like that. But for the time being, it looks like it's got power to it. So that does it yet again for another episode of Daily Reel. As always guys, stay tuned. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that share button. And hit that little bell notification button so you get all the new videos and everything and all the content alerted right to your phones. Make sure you hit that bell. As always guys, keep it real and keep moving forward. We'll see you next time.